B-spline. B-spline curves are another type of curve widely used in computer graphics for representing smooth and complex shapes. Here are some key points about B-spline curves. Piecewise polynomial. B-spline curves are piecewise polynomial curves, meaning that the curve is defined as a series of polynomials that are stitched together. Smooth and continuous. B-spline curves are smooth and continuous, similar to Bezier curves, making them ideal for representing smooth and natural shapes in 2D graphics. Control points. B-spline curves are defined by a set of control points, similar to Bezier curves, which determine the shape and position of the curve. However, B-spline curves typically use a larger number of control points compared to Bezier curves. Local control. B-spline curves provide local control, meaning that each control point only affects a small region of the curve, rather than the entire curve. This makes B-spline curves well-suited for applications where it is important to preserve local shape and details, such as in modeling and animation. Basis functions. B-spline curves are defined by a set of basis functions, similar to Bezier curves, which determine the shape of the curve. B-spline basis functions are different from Bezier basis functions, as they are defined over a set of knots, rather than being fixed. Knots. Knots are an important part of the definition of a B-spline curve, as they determine the location and shape of the polynomial segments that make up the curve. Flexible. B-spline curves are flexible, as the shape of the curve can be adjusted by changing the location and shape of the knots. This makes B-spline curves well-suited for applications where the shape of the curve needs to be adjusted dynamically, such as in animation and modeling. In summary, B-spline curves are an important type of curve used in computer graphics for their smooth, continuous shapes, local control, flexibility, and ability to represent complex shapes using a large number of control points. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.